Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off your Bluetooth device in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for Bluetooth options? So we have to go to Settings, Connections, and here we have Bluetooth. To turn our Bluetooth off, we simply turn it off right here by tapping this option. And as you can see, we have our device here. It's searching for other devices, and we can turn it off, and now our device is turned off and it won't play in our speaker. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.